Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video we're going to be discussing none other than Bome, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So if we're looking at the overall market as we are closing out Sunday, wow, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, exactly what we projected. I was talking about, Bitcoin hitting a specific price target. If it was able to close its daily candle there, I think we could be starting off a great week ahead of us. And as of now, it's looking like that might actually happen. You're looking at Bitcoin up 4.7% in altcoin market, definitely feeling the love right now, pretty much green across the board as you can see. But let's take a further look at Bome and see what is happening with its price and what are some next targets that we could be aiming for. So if we're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at almost 1.4 cents. It's up 7.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 2.8% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap approaching that $1 billion mark. Right now we're sitting at about $9.6 million. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 514.9 million. Not bad. But let's take it a step further and see what exactly is happening on the time scale. So before we get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. I really appreciate each and every one of your guys' support on the book of meme updates. You guys are really seeming to enjoy that. So if you are continuously wanting to see these updates, smash that like button and comment down below. But now let's get into it. So if we're looking at the overall meme coin market today, I want you guys to focus on this. We're seeing something specific happening for the meme coins, and obviously I'm going to highlight exactly what that is. So, of course, the overall market cap combined has been climbing up over the past few days. We're approaching almost $60 billion, and in terms of just the market cap, combined market cap of meme coins, it's up 6% over the past 24 hours. But if you're going through some of these meme coins, you are seeing them up over the past 24 hours, but we're not seeing that extensive, that insane momentum that we have seen over the past 2 to 3 weeks, especially this month of March, which was pretty much the best time for meme coins, and we saw that happen. But definitely reacting to the market momentum, but like I said, not that explosive move. If you're looking at it in terms of coins, you're seeing some of the altcoins outpacing meme coins right now. Look at Near Protocol up 9.3%. You're looking at Pepe up 6.2%, Bonk up 7%. WIF is carrying it right now. WIF is carrying the game up 21.5%. But we're still seeing all the meme coins following the market trend. But you're not seeing them outpacing that. And I think that will happen once again. We saw something similar happen about a week and a half ago, if you remember. So that's that. But overall, Bome looking good. It's here to battle it out with the big boys, and I'm gonna stick with my overall prediction. I think it has everything for itself, to reach all-time highs and actually become one of the biggest meme coins on the Solana platform. And I think it's coming for dog with had spot, believe it or not. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Do let me know if you think otherwise. But if you're looking at BTC dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance has gone up a little bit compared to yesterday, but nothing crazy. So altcoins definitely are going to be outpacing Bitcoin in the immediate short term. And obviously, if we're looking at BTC, it has finally done it. So let me go on the hourly time frame to really show you guys what happened. So we did see Bitcoin go from 62,600 all the way up to 67K. And the most important thing is not that it's at 67,000. What you want to be focusing on is that Bitcoin's price has closed Sunday's daily candle at this level. This is huge, and I think this could really be a massive catalyst going into this upcoming week ahead of us as we start Monday morning. It's going to be really interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts. Obviously, CME futures are closed during the weekends, but it's going to be really interesting if it's able to cross the 68K mark. That's my confirmation that I think we are about to head back towards all-time high. So far so good for the king itself, which is Bitcoin. But now let's talk about our good old friend Bome. So what we discussed yesterday was the importance of this support line, if you remember, and since then lovely bounce. So if you want to put this bounce into perspective, let's say you had a buy order placed in around here, or you picked some at Bome around this range, you did see Bome go up 11.27% from that specific price target. But what you're starting to see is, it's not seeing that extensive move of what we have seen over the past, 2 to 3 days. We saw a huge bounce right off the bat. We're not seeing that happening right now. And it goes back to what I've said, we're seeing the overall meme coin market reacting this way right now. They're not seeing those explosive moves, but I think that will be changing sooner rather than later. Best thing that you want to be looking at is the fact that we're back above this key support line, and we saw that bounce like we expected. Right now we do have some resistance coming in its way. If you pretty much look at it, you do have some resistance around this level. If this resistance is able to break out going into a Monday morning, and if Bitcoin is able to push to that 60K mark, I think we should see Bome pushing up to that 15 cents mark, and then obviously start heading to the levels we retested on March 21st. And obviously if that is able to break out, 2 cents is the main target. So you want to put this into perspective. 15 cents price point is about 11.94% move, and of course if you want to look at it on the other side, the March 21st high, that's a 21.84% move. And honestly, when you're dealing with meme coins, these types of moves can happen very, very quickly, because of course meme coins tend to bounce back quicker than usual, especially what we have seen in the month of March, especially in this meme coin mania. And meme coin mania is not over just yet. I think this is just the beginning, and I do believe that Bome could set a lot of people completely speechless in the next coming very soon future, because you really want to understand the markets it's already listed on. It's on Binance. Look how much volume it's doing on Binance, guys. 52% of its volume is just based off of Binance. Gate.io, not a big fan of that exchange. KuCoin. So we're seeing pretty much big centralized exchanges coming in and listing this project, and on top of that, still not a lot of people are focusing on this, and I want you guys to think this through. You're looking at the big exchanges holding a huge chunk of its supply. We're seeing 51% owned by Binance itself, and that is massive, massive stuff. Usually, in the bull markets, you really understand these, magnitude of this. Exchanges usually don't dump on their holders when it comes to, these holdings. But let's see what happens. I think this is a huge indicator that a lot of people kind of are looking over. But obviously, at the end of the day, this is a meme coin. Every single meme coin should be treated like a meme coin. There's no utility. There's no fundamentals. As of now, it's all, supply and demand. And as of now, there is quite a bit of demand for meme coins, which could trigger them for another rally. Besides this bull market, are all of these coins going to last? Absolutely not. I've said this from the beginning. I think short term, you could make some gains, but long term, only a certain meme coins will be here to stay, and obviously we will see which ones. But that's what you guys want to be looking at. Maybe Bome could be one of those if they bring in some massive utility, something very unique. But you always want to stick short term with meme coins. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. I'm liking what I'm seeing as far as the charts are concerned, but I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comments. But yeah, that's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.